welcome back. Today I'll be showing you guys how I do my curly hair twist out. I'm starting off with previously detangled hair that I just randomly sectioned and made some large twists. First, I'm adding water to my hair. This is just to add some moisture. Now I'm adding some olive oil to seal in the moisture and to add some shine to my hair. Finally, I'll be adding some Eco Styler gel. So with this large section of hair, I'm just going to divide it into two and twist each section. And I basically just repeated this process throughout the rest of my hair. I started off my hair with 10 large twists. So at the end of the process, I basically ended up with 20 twists overall. I allowed my hair to stay like this for an entire day and an entire night. In the night, I slept with my satin bonnet just to ensure that none of the moisture from my hair was lost.
We reinvent the wheel just to fall asleep at it. Crash on the floor, catch the ZZZs. Popping the polar opposite the NZG. Hip hop and the propaganda say they name brand, but I done seen how the did my main man. The nights you won't remember are the nights we won't remember. I've been gone till November on my city called December. Dreams are made for cages, nigga lines off for real, nigga dying is for real, niggas dying off the pill, nigga Fridays off for chill, and I escaped the treachery. I just had to rest in peace, the recipe. The rest of us is praying at the sin, don't leave a 10. If you're up right now, hope you hear what I'm saying.
Now it's the following day and I'm ready to take down my twists. And I just use some of the olive oil to moisturize my hair again and to take down the twists. Olive oil also helps to reduce frizz. Here's what my hair looks like after I've completely untwisted all of it. After this, I'm just feeling each section of my hair where it naturally separates and pulling them apart to add more volume. I'm not a big fan of big poofy hair sometimes, so I didn't make my twist out too big and too poofy. But if you want that kind of result, then you can continue pulling each twist apart even more to make it even fluffier, or you can even flip your head over and pick at the roots. This will help to give you even greater volume. With the results, and as I said before, you can do different things to give it more volume, but this is how I liked it, so this is how I did it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.